Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. We're starting off with temperatures in the 60s this morning. It's quite warm outside. Our average high is 63, and many communities are right there. Now, there are thunderstorms that will come working into Metro Detroit today. Some of those storms could be strong, possibly even a severe thunderstorm or two. Here's a look at our futurecast, and it shows a quiet start to the day, but by late morning, we're mostly cloudy, then a chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. It's not going to be overwhelming, but during this time period here, we could see a few strong storms, primarily on the east side, with high winds the primary concern. Then our winds turn more westerly when we turn cooler. So the summer-like weather we had yesterday, it's exiting today. It's just about all gone. Our 7 First Alert storm threats, primary concern is going to be wind. Certainly can't rule out a little bit of hail, but the potential for damaging wind up to 60 miles an hour is the primary concern. Look for a high today near 72, chance of thunderstorms, a few strong winds out of the southwest gusting to 35 miles an hour, and then the stronger storms could get us up to about 60 miles an hour. That would prompt a severe thunderstorm warning. 47 tonight, partly cloudy, cooler. Tomorrow, look for a high temperature only in the 60s, and I say only in the 60s, 65. That's about average for this time of year. A little cooler than average Saturday, high of 62 with a 40% chance of rain. 68 degrees Sunday, 60% chance of showers and storms, and then we're in the low to mid 60s for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.